Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, click on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber. Wednesday, January 19th, 4:05 p.m. New York time. Solar stocks. We're going to be looking at the time frame where each candle's a week, and since it's Wednesday, half the week's completed already. You identify, are we in a consolidation? Are we in a trend? If we're in a trend, are we trending down? Are we trending up? Are we coming into swing points? Are we bullish or bearish? First one to look at is Charlie, Sierra, India, Quebec. Yep. Lower highs, lower lows, red candle, trending down. Looks like it's on its way to get that $25. New low for the year. Delta, Quebec. Inside candle currently for the week. Prior week, with a higher high, higher low, but did close green above. Yep. Huge trend from last year. So this is mostly building consolidation. Echo, November, Papa Hotel, red for the week, lower high, lower low. The trend is down. Already at the lows of the year. Coming into this swing point, swing low, 130.65. Potential break below there, may run down to the next swing low. Foxtrot, Sierra, Lima, Foxtrot, Sierra, Lima, Romeo. Red for the week, lower low, lower high. Small little trading range. Interesting. So this may complete for the week as a doji. At the bottom of a trend, it might be a potential reversal. And some people look at it as potential halfway down. So we'll see what happens. If that actually closes like that, then that's a interesting candlestick to pay attention for potential getting in on the next trend. But we're real close to the swing low here. Juliet, Kilo, Sierra, inside candle for the week. And the past candle made a higher high, higher low coming off that inside candle. So it's working its trend up, making higher lows in this consolidation. So potential building calls for a reversal. But at $50 is still a supply area where sellers have been. Mike, Alpha, X-ray, November. Red for the week, lower lows, lower highs. The trend is down. New low for the year. Yep, and also took out the low of last year. Very bearish. So right now the takeaway is this solar sector is bearish. Let's continue looking on for some more solar stocks. And guys, as YouTubers, this is what we do, guys. This is part of my business. When I ask for you to click the like button below, this, you guys, is showing you care towards supporting a small business. Okay, I know that may sound really weird, just giving a like on YouTube, but think about it as supporting a small business. So I appreciate if you would show kindness and click that like button. If you want to get notifications, well, subscribe and hit that bell. Okay, back on top-down review of solar stocks. November, Oscar, Victor, Alpha. Red for the week, lower high, lower low. The trend is down, broke below that inside candle. Again, that's bearish. On target to that $20 still. All-time new low for the year. Took out the low last year too. Romeo, uniform November. All-time low for the year. Lower high, lower low. Broke below that inside candle. Broke below that consolidation. Bearish. Looks like we're on target to get to that $25. Let's label that. Again, right now we're seeing these solar stocks are bearish. The sector in general is bearish. Where we have energy, dirty energy, fossil fuels, natural gas, crude oil trending up. Yep. Sierra, Echo, Delta, Golf. Red for the week. Lower low, lower high. Trend is down. Coming into that swing low right here. Sierra, Papa, Whiskey, Romeo. Wow, 2 weeks in a row right now. Inside candles. This consolidation. So one expect it's going to break down, work its way lower, because the others are doing that. Tango, Alpha, November. Wow, new low for the year. Lower high, lower low, trending down. Already took out that low of last year. Yep. Sierra, Hotel, Lima, Sierra. All-time low for the year. Lower high, lower low. Broke below that inside candle. And took out that low of last year. Bearish. Not looking good. No. Yep. There we have. We have the clean energy. People are selling, not buying. And we have the, let's look at crude oil. There we go on crude oil. Same thing, weekly candles. New high for the year. Higher high, higher low. Took out the high of last year. Let's remove that. And one would expect crude oil is going to continue going higher to the upside. Let's take a look at natural gas. There we go. Inside candle for the week. So last week was the high for the year. Higher high, higher low. Broke out consolidation. Let me label this. Yep, there we go. So this is building staircase pattern, higher high. Yep. So that'll be the trade. Stay bearish the clean energy stocks and be bullish the dirty fossil fuel stocks. And you could be trading crude oil, stock symbols USO, or you could trade the futures of crude oil /CL. That's what's going on.